Well, hello there, Keith. Hello there, YouTube fam. I am cooking at the moment. I'm making a keto lasagna. I can't remember whose recipe it was, but I watched the video and I decided I wanted to give it a lash. Give her a no lash. Hold on there now. I'll have a look and see if we can look in the oven and have a gander at this piece of art. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that, look at that, look at that. And trust me when I say, my friends, fuck if this is low-fat shit. This is not low-fat shit, okay? This is a keto household. I do not do low-fat shit. So, I'll let you know next video what it tastes like. The ingredients I just threw together. The usual: beef, tomato, load of seasonings. What the hell is it called? Do you know, I cannot think what you all call it over in America. It's a purple plant. Eggplant is what they call it in America. Chopped up an eggplant. Put some beef in, some eggplant in, some cheese, some beef, some cheese, some eggplant, some beef, some cheese, some eggplant, some beef, and then a shit ton of cheese. A mixture of mozzarella and parmesan. Was it mozzarella? No, mozzarella and cheddar. Very nice. I have all the spices in there as well, don't you know? Turmeric, garlic, all the usual, onion, the usual shit. And she's in the oven. And I'm just hoping to fuck when she comes out that I don't get food poisoning. And the only thing that could give me food poisoning now, lads, would be the beef. And you see him? I fried him first in butter. Yeah. This is not a low-fat house. Although when I did my grocery shopping today, I very naughtily bought this. I'm expecting a friend staying with me for a couple of days. So I bought the bread. I have the bacon, the sausage, the egg, the mushrooms, and I have normal full-fat milk for my friend. And you know what I'm sprinkling over the top of this? If it tastes nice now, lads, wait till you see this. I got this in Aldi or Lidl, I can't remember which. But I just thought this was great shit. Like, I've never seen this. Sour cream. I'll sprinkle a bit of that on it. And taste with it. Yeah, happy days. And I did chicken for the doggy doodles. So she's having the chicken with her dinner. I am not giving her this to taste. Because in fairness, lads, if I gave her this shit, it would blow the arse off her. Right, that's it now, my loves. I am sorted. Just thought I'd let you know what was cooking in my keto kitchen today. Au revoir.